Oh shit, I'm sorry, baby. You're so loose with your body. Let me play this shit. She don't even feel pain. Tell me where we going with this. Tell me if you feeling it. I've been driving around for too long. I can't even function. I can tell you front upside down just like that. It's nothing. My house bougie, I'm shop at malls. I gotta throw them 10. Probably about to record for a little bit. Maybe play the game, and then maybe go go-kart racing or some shit. Who knows? Got so much money coming in, they thinking I'm lucky. Diamonds on my neck, I turn up, I'm trying to I don't even like the flex, I hop on the jet, don't picture now. I'm gonna be rich with all you niggas. Kids on the beach just like me, nigga. They tell you mad, don't get in your feelings. The favor I get, they think I'm a villain. We went separate ways, I'm hoping she heaven. The first day I met you, I knew it won't last. How you got so much dirt on my name, nigga, that's the past. Try to do your best to keep up with me, I'm in a fast lane. I just put this spell all over her heart, she don't even feel pain. Tell me where we going with this. Tell me if you feeling it. I've been driving around for too long, I can't even function. I can tell you front upside down just like that, it's nothing. My house bougie, I'm shop at malls, I gotta throw them 10. What happened?
Bro, I was just on the phone, bro. You went live with this. Automatically popped up on my shit and exited me out of everything. What the fuck?
That's my baby. That's my baby. You my baby. You my mamas. You my mamas. You my mamas. You my. Gioliski. Gioliski. Gioli. Gioli. GLE. Lola. Hey, mamas. You wanna watch me record? Yeah? Yeah? I mean, yes. Chillin'. First time that, and I know it won't last. There's so much dirt on my name, maybe that's the past. Trying to do your best to keep up with me, I'm in a fast lane. I put a spill all over her hurt, she don't even feel pain. Tell me where we going with this. Tell me if you feeling it. I've been driving around for too long, I can't even function. You can turn your phone upside down just like that, it's nothing. My hoes bougie, don't shop at malls, I gotta throw them 10. My hoes bougie, they don't wear regular shit. I'm rich as fuck, not a regular lick. Gotta talk to me not so you getting dismissed. She get up and drink, she let it in. Let me show you some. Got so much money coming in, they thinking I'm up to some. I'm out now, turn the whole bunch of sun. Lulu! You see Lulu right here, Candy. She thugging it right now, she chilling, she ain't got shit going on. Being a dog. You been a dog? You look high. You geek? Are you geek, Lulu? You see them stars, huh? You like them? You like that stars? You like that? You like that? Long nose. Your nose long. It's my baby. Little baby. You getting big, girl. Fuck your nose long. Hey, that 0.5 is crazy. Why I'm doing you like that? I love you. I love you. I'm sorry. Trey, get up out the room. You talking about some Lucy. Wake your ass up if I come in your door. Get off my live and come outside. Trey, come out the room. Gaining weight, either lose it. I just lost weight. I'm gaining it back. I've been eating too good. What you got on your mind? You better jump down. Come on. Trey?
Caught him like he was in a scary movie.
I know they ain't birds. What's up, Lou? What you doing, girl? Let me show you some. There's so much money coming in, they thinking I'm up to some. I gotta come out here for real. Come. Let's go. Them the birds making that noise. Candy, where you at? Lulu, come around here. Come, what are you doing? Come here. Come here. Let's go. Now, house. Come. I actually woke up early today. I
I've been getting up late for like the past week, like 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. I woke up at 11, which is still not that early, but it's way earlier than what I did. I was waking up at. But before that, it was 9 a.m., 10 a.m. My schedule got fucked up one night. Look at bro. What is you on, Trey? Look how you feeling?
Where's Lucy?
She just went in the house.
Huh?
She just went in the house. Yeah.
Damn.
Vital.
Damn.
You got that Vital on. Finally up. Wake up.
Shipment's going out soon on that set pack.
Soon. Really about to go to. Oh, that's another thing too. With y'all clothes and everything. They literally in the house. We finishing up the last little bit. I'm gonna go to the post office and we about to ship that shit out. My apologies for the delay and everything. Yeah, but all that shit is taken care of. Literally, I have everything packed up. Just got like a few more to do. Then they will get dropped off at the post office. Y'all will have y'all shit beginning of the week. So, just a heads up. I still talk to you like nothing ever happened. I still talk to you like nothing ever happened. Try recording. You trying to record? I like recording. Still talk to you like nothing ever happened. Still talking to you like nothing ever happened. Still talking about nothing happened. Still doing those dumb shit as a habit. What you saying though? That's a problem.
I'm in L.A. I ride to the bad bitch. Got 100K stuck in my mattress. On my way to the money, I'm speeding. She eating, might do what she vegan. There's a lot of shit going on, wish I did pay. Might still from me, I'm a fellas. Get high, this bitch I ain't vegan. Get my diamonds on the wall like a tic-tac. Treat your girl like I'm blow, don't pass that. Too much colleagues, now they get fat. I got drip from that shit I ain't wear yet. Got a tag in my L.B backpack. Got a name, so I got a watch over me. All my love hoes watching, I know me. I keep to myself, I don't really like to talk. Keep to myself, I don't really like to speak. Wake up in the morning, every day, geek. My little nigga pushing the box, can't read. Been really shit, nigga, fuck me, hoe. Got 2 shots on niggas, I ain't come. I won't come and need, don't hold up on me. I've been out the way, you ain't seen me on something. I'm in that G-Wagon, bitch, not a homie. Being that shit from the back, got a helmet. You feeling it? I've been driving around for too long, I can't even function. I can turn your frown upside down just like that is nothing. My house bougie, they don't shop at malls, I got a phone 10. My house bougie, they don't wear regular shit. I was just fucking a regular late. Better talk to me next week, get this man. She give them drugs and she run it back. Let me show you some. Got so much money coming in, they thinking I'm on some. Hear the diamonds on my neck, I turned the whole to a song. I don't even like the flex, I hop on the jet, don't picture enough. I'm really rich to all you niggas. Your kids with me just like me, nigga. I can tell you bad, don't get in your feelings. Fame that I get, they think I'm a villain. We went separate ways, I'm hoping she hella. The first day I met you, I knew it won't last. How you got so much dirt on my name, baby, that's the past. Try to do your best to keep up with me, I'm in a fast lane. I just put a spell all over her heart, she don't even feel pain. Tell me where we going with this, tell me if you feeling it. I've been driving around for too long, I can't even function. I can turn your frown upside down just like that is nothing. My house bougie, I don't shop at malls, I got a phone 10.
this shit. I'm just fucking with a regular lick. Better talk to me nice so you getting dismissed. Let me show you something. Ty, you said I'm finna get braids? Nah, I said hi. Nah, this nigga Cody to my son. I'm finna get braids. Been there, done that. Been there, done that.
Yeah, I love when you right there, look in my eyes. You said for me, I got security outside. My hoes and new cribs, they all live at night. It's a hell of a night, I need condoms and Sprite. I ran out of love, I was trying to decide. I'm flexing, I wish you was right on my side. You guys lay down and shit on my mind. You ain't got one shot with me. I got multiple chances with you. It's hard to leave, ain't blaming you. It's hard to think about what to do next. I know you're thinking of me, I know you're thinking about the past. It's me, I ain't lying, yo. Trust me, I ain't gon' change, yo. You gotta stick to the code. You gotta stick to the plan. I can't take no more. That's just how I'm feeling. Black truck outside to pick you up, you kinda my spot. Ain't no shame on my game, baby, I'm a player, how you like it? I'm flooding my city with money, they still hating on me, they don't got a reason. My whip like a spaceship inside of this world, I had to go buy it on Venus. I'm fucking a nigga, baby mama. Give her some money, it's not a problem. I pop a pill before I get on stage. I got real bloods, gonna be trying to play. I'm street bopping niggas, living our own mansion party, this shit going down. She gon' look at my wrist and these hoes wanna fuck. She gon' look at my eyes and I beat it up. She no more than she running. I'm up, good drinks, I ain't coming. I'm a Prince Charming, that's why she blush. I take it easy, you don't know this. Woke up this morning and I made 100. Yeah, I love when you right there, look in my eyes. You say for me, I got security outside. My hoes and new cribs, they all live at night. It's a hell of a night, I need condoms and Sprite. I ran out of love, I was trying to decide. I'm flexing, I wish you was right on my side. You guys lay down, that shit blew my mind. You only got one shot on me. I got multiple chances with you. It's hard to leave, ain't blaming you. It's hard to think about what to do next. I know you're thinking of me, I know you're thinking about the past. It's me, I ain't lying, yo. Change me, I ain't gon' change, yo. You gotta stick to the code. I'ma stick to the plan.
You can judge me for who I am, but just love me for who I am. There's no point for you to lie again. I know I'm not perfect, but I swear I try. Only thing keep me in when I get high. Yeah. Drop the remix. My face getting fat. I've been eating good. I lose weight, gain weight, lose weight, gain weight. Right now I'm on my gain weight process. Somebody send me some beats. Email. Work.
Is your actually?
Can't lie to me. Every day she proud of me. She coming back. I got sending hella beats right now. Make sure it's some hard shit. I'm for sure about to go in my room and record. So please send some hard beats. Actually, I'm gonna see if they got shipment. See if they got that shipment. They got shipment back on Call of Duty yet? They took it off and put some, what is it, Rio 24/7? You played that map? It's cool. Yeah. I started playing it at the studio, but then the TV was so damn big and I was so close to it. I kept dying. No, I didn't. You still got an escort?
A desk.
Oh, a desk. So you got an escort in your room? A desk in your room.
That boy D1 job.
D1 Jockski.
That boy needs to learn how to play Call of Duty.
Rio suck, huh? That shit, I don't like it. They took shipment off. They don't have it off for probably like a couple days, maybe a week, and slap it back on, but they shouldn't have took it off. Shit, man, it's smoke, unlimited smoke. As soon as you pop up, you spawn right into some smoke.
You honestly should stream, I'm not gonna lie.
Stream? What song is it? What are you going through here looking at songs? I don't know what any of these songs is. Play some music. Hello.
I still pouring drink, getting this. Ice on my wrist, that shit hitting like 3D. I feel like LeBron when I'm back in the city. I'm off a perk, my whole body itch. I was bored as fuck, yesterday's been thick. We don't live the same life, but nigga, you trippin'. I'm checking up on that bitch like a doctor. I got my eye on that bitch like a pirate. She let the size of the whip, she excited. I'm on some chill shit, but my niggas violent. Ecstasy, Molly, and price on my body. I'm rolling 200, bitch, can't stop. I stay with myself like I don't know nobody. She say she a virgin, but that bitch got body. She wanna fuck everything. She don't know my history. I changed my name like Mr. T. She was Chanel when I got it, so they ain't know too much about me. Yeah, I'm sure the girl play fighting.
Off shrooms with the girl play fighting. Niggas ain't getting their feelings about these hoes. These hoes too easy, they come and go. These hoes too easy, I don't want it, I live in that darkness, I don't see the sun. Got bitches on bitches, they all having fun. You just damn, those ready to toss me the gun. I'm really high, but you doing fake drugs. I'm in love with them racks on anything that I trust. She look in my eyes and I'm beating it up. I don't pay for no pussy about how much the fuck. Got colorful choppers like Toys R Us. I'm still pouring drink, getting dizzy. Eyes on my, that bitch hitting like 3D.
She on my dick and she know I got ice. She's in the crib and it got her like, ooh, I'm used to winning, I ain't gon' lose. Shoes in the cup, like a raccoon. On a lane, soon as I get on the flight. It goes a lot to live my life. Got pouches in front of the crib, yeah. The lamb truck outside the crib. I'm rocking off white bitch, these ain't theirs. I'm in N.A.L.B, on her like the rims. She want my attention, but she gotta earn. I spend all my money because I earned it. Come here, so girl, she keep flirting. Smoke on gas, you smell it burning. She like the world is just why you deserve it. Hang my neck, I don't want it on purpose. I'm always working on 9 to 5. This whole knowing she read on my sign. I love doing drugs, I love getting high. My plug love me, and she's getting ignorant. So you wanna know how I do it. I'm fucking your girl to my music. Niggas ain't here for no reason. Get out your feelings and go get it back. Yeah, I'm too geeked up right now, shawty. I ain't got time to be mad. My mind stay on that money. I ain't got time to chill or relax. All headshots when you invest in that vest. Gotta pop me a Zan when I get on that flight. She on my dick and she know I got ice. She's in the crib and it got her like, ooh, I'm used to winning, I ain't gon' lose. Shoes in the cup, like a raccoon. On a lane, as soon as I get on the flight. It goes a lot to live my life. Got pouches in front of the crib, yeah. The lamb truck outside the crib. I'm rocking off white bitch, these ain't theirs. I'm in N.A.L.B, I'm all like the rims. She want my attention, but she gotta earn. I spend hella money because I earned it. Come here, girl, she keep flirting. Smile on gas, you smell it burning. Why would you play these games with me? again. On my way to the money, I'm resting, I feel like I'm daddy. You gotta tell me shit, got more money than your family.
I'm in a boo right now. I'm gonna record, man. She wanna be my best friend. We walking in the mall, she grab, man.
We just gonna record the metronome? No beat?
Yeah. Just to that. Pull it up. Yay. That's still my best friend. That's still. Candy cane. Oh, it got dark quick as fuck in the garage. Trey a creep, ain't he? Hey, this nigga Vital, I'm about to beat your ass, bro. I'm even creepier for saying this garage so dark. I'm a fucking creep. That's scary, ain't it? That's scared y'all. Oh, that's still my best friend. That's still my baby. That's still my baby. That's still my baby. I'm a creep, bro. Be on my creep shit. Who said you can touch that, nigga?
That boy got that good chicken.
Ooh,
And your Oreo shit.
good chicks.
I got some regular street nigga shit. Oh, the street nigga shit, right? I can have none of that, right?
That's a street nigga meal right
Oh,
there.
I can't eat that.
Nobody else can eat.
It's different.
Yeah, different. I got a piss so bad. Are you waking up out my sleep having a pee-pee? Like bad.
Like a dog.
Piss like dog.
It's a good day.
I'm trying to see, should we record here or should we book a studio, Trey?
Trash. Let's get back to work, man. Show them how you, show them that order, big bro. The order's coming.
I drink hella lean before I go to bed.
I know.
That's why I be so asleep. Look at me. I be geeked up before I go to bed. Sleep for hella hours. And wake up having a piss. Gotta pop me a vent about it. Gotta like, I'm just winning. Shoot in the cup. There's a lot about to live my life. Go do something crazy today. That's so funny. I was just saying that. I'm gonna do something today. I might. I'm waiting for my brother to get here. My brother get here then. That's when I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do. Squam, where you at? Come. Where you at? K-Bond. Where you at, K-Bond? How many more we gotta do? We got a few more orders and we gonna be done. And we going to the post office, ship that out. Boom. Then
go kart.
I'm gonna do something. I do wanna go kart though. Go kart racing. But I don't know. Go kart racing. Or do something. Any new tats? I got one on my leg of my nigga Jason Voorhees, but I gotta get some more. I'll get some. Maybe a few more. Yeah, that's Alex. Vital ugly ass right over there in the cut. Come on, Candy, bro. I come over to your house every day, bro. I'm right down the street from you. Come over, bro. You pull up over here.
Kevin? Is that Kevin?
Yeah, that's Kevin. Kevin, come on, Kev.
Hey, Kev.
Bring your ass over here, Kev. Hey, Kev. 2 Kevs.
What can I say?
Big GLE.
Comment if you want to get picked up by me. No, I'm joking.
He's like, oh my God. Everybody comment your address.
Hey, yeah, comment your address. We gonna pull up on you right now. You pull it up. Fuck out of here.
You pull it up. First to comment.
You lying, Candy. You not about to get up, bruh. Come on. Get up.
Get up.
Get up, gang.
Get up and get somebody, man.
Wake my man up, too.
The way I was feeling, bro, I don't think I could touch the bitch last night.
Yeah, Candy, get the fuck up. What happened?
Was it tucking in on top last night? Well, I could touch a bitch if I wanted to.
Yeah. One of
I did
them.
this morning, though, for sure.
One of them.
I swear I was wet. So,
Baby, 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 oh, like baby, baby, baby. Dot Slayer. Dot Slayer. Guns N' Roses. Guns N' Roses. Dracos and Whippets.
nigga combo.
Dracos and Whippets. Hold on.
Here you go.
I ain't in there. We ain't know that. That's a bad combo.
But fried. 2X. That nigga Bear. Bear on bottles! Bear got your orders.
Dracos and Whippets. Like baby, 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 no.
This nigga ordered a small
Big boy.
They gonna put that bitch on and be
How you doing small to a 2X? Hey! What the fuck?
Think you ordered a snuggie.
You're like, my head case off.
Yeah. Put that bitch on your car, man.
You gonna be mad as fuck. Just kidding. That nigga Trey said, crash out starter pack. Draco's a witness. Hey, Trey, go to bed, bro. What is you doing? What you doing, you creep? You been a fucking creep in there watching me on your screen? Come out here and look me in my eye, bitch. You fucking creep. Duck, Alex. Oh, he got rid of the Matrix. Hold on. Put that dirt down. What? Put that gun down, son. D1 Jock. Squam, where you at? Come on, bro. I miss you, Kayvon. Come on, bro. Come on, Swin. Come. Twin, come. Come. Where is Lulu? I'm gonna go on tour actually, real soon. It's supposed to start beginning of February, but I'm gonna post it probably February, probably gonna start after April. Bye, y'all.